Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Zane JJ. Today we're coming back a video basically talking about parcel that I've been waiting for so long to basically unbox in this video itself in this channel. So over here, this is a parcel itself is the Ledger limited edition Nano X black on black itself. This is a limited edition hardware wallet for those who are looking to basically purchase your hardware wallet to store your cryptocurrency, because as saying, if it's not your keys, it's not funds. So over here, I would say, yeah, basically being your own bank in the crypto space. And after that, from there, if let's say you're here for a long term, you're going to hold your crypto 10, 15, or maybe let's say 1 year, or even though like say 50 years, you're going to pass it down to the next generation itself. So I would say the Ledger hardware wallet itself is one of the to-go place that I would say to purchase your hardware wallet, because it is very well known of their security, their branding, and of course their marketing itself. They are currently, I would say, dominating almost 50% of the market in the crypto space of this hardware ledger, hardware wallet itself. So I'm gonna basically explain to you on this video itself what have happened to my journey itself while waiting for the parcel and stuff like this. My parcel went missing, and after that, from there, Ledger claims that this hardware wallet itself is only 10,000 out of 10,000 of these pieces itself. So I lost my parcel, so they managed to send me another one. So it's really question about this scarcity of this limited edition stuff that they are claiming to do so. And after that, from there, I'm gonna obviously link some of the affiliate links down below on Ledger itself. If let's say you want to buy some hardware wallet or use any product, use all the links down below. And of course, I would say it does not charge you like additional money or whatsoever. I'm just gonna earn some commission of the products that you use on the platform that is listed down below. And of course, if you want to basically do something for me itself, it's totally free. Just hit the like button. It is totally free. Subscribe to my channel, and of course, I do have a Patreon page down below if you're interested in supporting my channel itself grow. And of course, without further ado, we're gonna jump into the topic itself. What took my parcel so long to arrive? So for those who are new itself, you might, if let's say you're following Ledger or whatsoever, you might know that okay, so Ledger have this limited edition black on black itself for those who are holding the Ledger Market Genesis Pass. So for my case, I bought one off the market at 0.75 Ethereum, which is basically making a loss right now. And of course, when the claims open up itself during, I think, last month, mid-November itself, I did a claim. But of course, unfortunately, some of the stuff that happened itself, my parcel went missing. So over here, the parcel went missing, and after that, I have proof for that. So I'm just going to show it to you over here on the screen. So over here, we can see that there is this order tracking itself. There is basically two deliver item over here. So over here, this is the one that went missing previously. Basically, it's shown that it has arrived on the 30th of November. Unfortunately, I contacted Ledger because I stay in Malaysia, and after that, it's a condo. Therefore, they sent the parcel towards the guard house, and of course, the management itself, they are doing some adjustment. And after that, from there, I would say my parcel landed in the parcel room, but unfortunately, the parcel room itself was unguarded. And of course, I would say residents itself would head over to the parcel room to collect the parcel on their own. Therefore, there was no supervision. There was not much security camera ongoing. Therefore, I believe that somebody mistook my parcel. And after that, I would say that I was quite pleased about it, because I was super excited to basically receive this, and after that make content about it, the unboxing itself during that month itself. And after that, unfortunately, I can't. Therefore, I reached out to Ledger itself, and after that, there like talking about those stuff itself through email itself. And of course, as of today, 27th of December itself, I received the parcel, and after that, from there, I'm gonna basically do unboxing content on this channel itself. And after that, we're gonna talk about, before we do the unboxing itself, we're gonna basically talk about the limited additional hardware wallet that is cheaper than the normal one. So over here, this might be a bit like unreal. So I would say it's an opportunity for you guys to basically grab it right now if you are interested in getting one of a hardware wallet. So over here, we can see that the Ledger Nano X itself is currently retailed at basically $149. And after that, from there, you are basically getting one row design itself, a simple design, basically this over here, with not without much like color or whatsoever. It's just the Ledger Nano X itself, and after that, it's their classic silver and black casing itself. So over here, you can see that they currently have these three options only. Basically, the onyx black, basically is this the silver and black iconic option itself. And after that, the blazing orange, basically is just a flip of the back itself. It is like, yeah, it is somehow translucent or something like that. And after that, they also have this cosmic purple, which looks slick enough. If let's say you guys like the color itself, you can purchase it on their platform itself. But over here itself, I'm going to show you that the Ledger on black X black itself, black on black itself, is basically everything fully blacked out. And after that, from there, this is just the limited edition one. So over here, we can see previously it was listed at $149, but over here on OpenSea itself, if let's say you head over to the floor, the price itself, you can check the floor is 0.0938. So converted to US dollar, you are basically getting almost a $30 off on this limited edition hardware wallet itself. At basically you're paying only 0.938 Ethereum for as of today itself. If let's say you purchase it, it is this price. But of course, if the price of Ethereum rises, therefore your US dollar value rises as well. So there's pros and cons to it. But of course, let's say you just directly deposit US dollar, buy some Ethereum, and after you buy the hardware wallet, technically you're using your US dollar to purchase this hardware wallet. And of course, of the fees top itself, maybe you're spending up to 120 US dollar to purchase one of these over here on the marketplace with transaction fee and stuff like this. So I would just say top maybe 125 off of this transaction fee and everything. So basically to do the transaction on OpenSea, you're gonna basically burn some fee, blah blah blah. So we're gonna basically take it as $125 to purchase one of these limited edition hardware wallet, which I would say is quite cool itself. It is basically cheaper than the retail price itself. Therefore, this is the trick that you need to know. And of course, we are gonna basically jump into the unboxing right now for those who are basically dying to know what is inside this box. So over here, without further ado, we're gonna basically do an unboxing right now. So this is the package. I'm gonna pull it out of the package, and of course over here you can see this the box itself. This the section, and after that, I will say the box itself is slightly simple. And of course over here they do have this unique phone number itself, which is at the side. And after that, I would say there's not much special stuff on the box itself. It looks normal. If let's say you're gonna buy a Ledger Nano X or whatsoever, it's gonna come in this type of boxes itself. So I would say we're gonna do a wrapping right now. Right. So start to open. Right. So here my spreadsheet. So, right. So I'm peel this thing off, and after that over here I would say box itself is slightly scratched, so it doesn't really matter. It's gonna be personal use. So I'm gonna pull it out. After that over here we can see that this box itself is up slider. So if you push it yourself, it is gonna slide open. And after that I would say the box itself, feeling of the box itself is much normal, I would say. And after that over here we can see that this is the box itself showing the Ledger logo. And after that I would say the box itself stuff. Here you hold it, and after that you pick it up. So over here when we open up itself, it shows the hardware wallet, which I would say is quite thick looking over here. And we're gonna basically take it out from the box. And here we see it. So over here, this is the hardware wallet that you're gonna receive, the Ledger Black Complex. So I would say the top itself is active. Of course, let's say you're gonna put a fingerprint or grease your hand with grease, it's definitely gonna stay. You're gonna stain this, and after that over here when you put it up itself, it is quite solid. Here the back itself feels like glass, but of course just black and end itself. And after that over here you can see that this over here shows inside the Ledger itself some of the components. And I would say pretty much this is the device itself. And of course it comes with this sticker, screen protector itself, the sticker you can pull out if let's say you want to use it, but of course I will keep it on. Right over here you just put it over, open it. After that over here we can see there's much more stuff in the box itself. Okay, just cover. And over here you can see this is the safety recovery sheet. And yeah, favorite, so I can't really show you guys. So I'm just pull it out and show you the standard Ledger recovery sheet over here. So they're gonna tell you read before filing coverage over here. Right. Basically reading read before filing the recovery sheet. So over here, this is some of the guidelines that they are telling you what you should do and what you should not do itself. So this is just instruction manual, and after over here, this is the cool about it. This is the recovery sheet, and after they pull it out, and over here it tells you do not lose it, share it. So over here it says don't lose it, never share it. So it's simple enough. Okay, so over here there's 4 words shown over here that you need to write it down, setting up this wallet as a new wallet. And after that I would say pretty much nothing else. Box itself, yep, and there's some cable. So over here this is just start, the instruction manual telling you how to start setting up your hardware wallet. Ledger.com/start, and after that there is some of the notes that you're giving, and of course over here they have the sticker as well. So over here this is the Ledger Marketplace logo, the sticker itself that they are giving out on this limited edition wallet itself, which you can't get it on their other products. So I would say pretty much nothing else, right? Just the regulatory use care regulatory statement on the Ledger wallet itself. After lastly, we're gonna put out stuff. So this is the USB-C cable. Yeah, I mean they gave a USB-C cable. So for hardware device owner itself, you need to use your old cable, USB, your normal USB to the USB-C. So we hear this is basically on the go itself. Let's say you're gonna use it on Mac, or maybe let's say on mobile phone which supports USB-C itself, but you don't really need this cable itself, to be honest, because the Ledger hardware wallet itself, it is already supported with Bluetooth for the Nano X itself, which connect it using Bluetooth. So we are gonna basically try to plug it in with one of my cables. Let's see the results. So we're gonna plug it in. Over here it shows Ledger, and over here it shows the startup screen outcome. See it, so I'm just going to read it off to you. Welcome, this is the Ledger Nano X. Welcome to Ledger Nano X. Basically the same startup screen that you see, and after that you're going to navigate using the buttons over here. You can hear the buttons clicking. So this is how you navigate with the Ledger Nano itself, and after that over here it's going to basically prompt you to set this device as a new device, or basically recover from the previous Ledger wallets itself. If you have one, you can basically use this option to restore your wallet, and after that you can use this as your main wallet if you are using like a Ledger Nano S Plus or S itself, and after that you want to do a Bluetooth connectivity, this is the option for you. And after that I would say if you want to do a shutdown whatsoever, just hold both of the buttons and it's going to show the setting screens, and over here it's going to show you your battery life, the battery life itself, and after that it's closing, and after that you can shut the device down by using this option itself, power off, and of course off, and this is it. So there's nothing much I would say on this Ledger itself. There is no like I was expecting like maybe like an engraving of your address that you give it on the site, or maybe something like that to make it very unique and after that very personalized. But unfortunately there isn't any special babies that you can see over here, which makes this edition wallet. I would say maybe I would say the design itself will be like the 8 out of 10 compared to the normal ones, and after that I would say the purple one looked quite thick itself, but over here I would say this over here is just of the black, everything is basically black, and after that I would say it's very cool of design itself. The screen over here is cool, but over here it's not a LED display or anything, and after that there is no special feature like maybe like engraving or hardware wallet name, I mean your address that you name it on or whatsoever. It's just plain old black device itself here. If you put it down like this, it looks quite slick, I would say. Just down like this, device look like a black thumb drive, like a black box or whatsoever you want to call it. So over here we're gonna basically talk about the thoughts about this product. So I would say the thoughts about this product itself is not really like personalized enough. I would say, if let's say we have seen like previous Adidas drop or something like that, you might see that oh, you redeem this jacket, and this jacket has or film address, all of that, and after that it's very cool to basically do that. And after that I would say on this black on black itself, black edition itself, yes it is the edition, but to be honest, if you want to read the terms itself, if let's say you purchase the NFT itself, you head over to the site itself to a redemption. So I'm going to show it to you. So this is the website that you want to go to. Is basically shop.ledger.com/product/ledger nano x black on black. I'm going to show it to you later on. Link it down below, and after that over here you can purchase your device, and after that from there you can just head over to this site to claim your Nano X itself. And of course, go down itself, that nothing much, not much information, but over here if you head over to the OpenSea itself, it will just tell you that this is a limited edition, and after that there it's gonna say that can go note a snapshot holder of this Ledger Market Plus Genesis edition NFT was taken back at this block height on October 17, and this collection will add up those addresses. So only here technically there's only 10,000 of these I'm not wrong, it's only 10,000 of this edition that is going around. But unfortunately for my case itself, I basically lost one of the parcel during shipment. So we're gonna look at how many Ledger Nano. I think that's 10,000. Yep. So the market pass only, there's only 10,000 of this. So technically speaking, there's only 10,000 of this device supposed to be circulating. But over here on the NFT itself, yes, there's only like 10,000. And of course, eventually people started redeeming. So almost 4,000 over of these devices was redeemed. But over here for my case itself, I not accidentally, but of course it's not my fault or whatsoever. The parcel came over, but and of course it was sent to the parcel room, therefore it was missing. Therefore Ledger sent another one to me. So basically I have two of this package sent to me, but of course one is lost. For my end itself, it's lost. I did not have it, and after that another one was sent to me. So technically there is 10,001 in circulating, maybe, that I would say physically the price itself is not, it is shown as 10,000, but of course I would say never really truly know if let's say there's 10,000 of this product that is circulating around. But over here I would say for this edition itself, it is a very cool design and everything. But over here I would say quite cool design, but honestly it does not really feel that it is a limited edition one. It is not personalized towards you. And of course I would say for this minting phase itself, to be honest, Ledger itself has made like tons of money through this kind of minting phases and everything. But of course, to be honest, let's say you're gonna be a Genesis Pass holder, and of course you receive this first ever airdrop from them totally free. Hope, I mean, like, yes, it's free, don't complain that much. And of course I would say what they can do better itself is personalize or something like that, do an engraving at the side or maybe at the back of the hardware itself, show that this is the address that we redeem it. After that, this truly this address. Yeah, something like that. So I would say, to be honest, if let's say you want to get a hardware wallet itself, might be considering this limited edition one, and after that get this on the OpenSea and redeem it. Otherwise, I mean, the redemption itself is all totally free. You do not need to pay for shipment, you do not need to pay for like tax or whatsoever. Everything here is free if you purchase it off the marketplace, and after that they redeem using the NFT itself. Shipment, everything is totally free. So if let's say you head over to the normal Plano website to purchase itself, I would say over here, if you purchase it, it is gonna tell you tax and duty is not included. So I would say if let's say you are looking at a purple one, which is quite cool, you want to buy it, definitely go ahead for that. And otherwise, just buy the classic edition Onyx Black or Blazing Orange or maybe like a Cosmic Purple. But as of now, it is not in stock. Therefore, they only have the classic old design that is in stock. And after that, when it's in stock itself, if I want to buy it, you can click on the email me to basically know more about it. And of course, yeah, the black one itself, it is rare. I mean, it is not sold on anywhere. It's sold on the OpenSea until it is fully redeemed. So when everything is redeemed, that technically there is no more Nano X black on black in the market itself. Therefore, I would say it's gonna boost up the scarcity in the future. Hopefully, they do not like duplicate more of these devices to give the non-NFT holders. And of course, I would say, yeah, I have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, kindly leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye.